Hi and welcome back to Brizy, and today we're talking about a tattoo template. My name is JP, and every Monday we bring you a little bit more on what you can do with the templates that are available in Brizy WordPress and Brizy Cloud. So let's talk about the tattoo template, and I just want to talk quickly about one-pager. What I'm going to show you today is a one-pager, and many people scoff at the idea of just having a website that is just one single web page or one page. But I am a big supporter of a one-pager, and there are a number of reasons. When you're working with smaller concerns or smaller sites, that just has a little bit of information, having 5 pages to display all of that information is just completely unnecessary. Putting everything on just one page makes it very easy to find all that information in one place, and also makes it much better for navigation. And that brings me actually to one of the most important points when I think in terms of why I support one-pagers. It's easy to navigate. Everything is there on one page. You can put an about section, services, teams, testimonials, and it's a nice one experience for the user. But more importantly, when you go to mobile devices, just think of yourself on a mobile device. Often when you go to a website thinking that you have to go all the way to the top and then choose the hamburger menu and try to get to that other page you want to go, just to read about the about section that is this long, it's really not necessary to do that. Put it on one page, nice and sweet and simple, and make that user experience so much better. But, and here is the but, because there must always be a but. One thing you have to take into consideration, now you only have one page. So be careful with loading too many images, galleries onto that one page, because that's going to affect your score if you bring in these heavy-sized, heavy loaded images that may just drag down your score for SEO rankings. Enough of that. I just want to say I'm a big supporter of one pages. I often think of them in terms of like a yellow page. Especially when we are talking about something like a tattoo shop. You're not going to do online orders or e-commerce or WooCommerce for a tattoo shop, but you want to just be found. I'm a big searcher online. I know I have my specific places I always go to, but regularly I come and just look for something different. If you are into tattoos or you would like to venture into the world of tattoos, you're going to go online and search for that. So for all these small little shops that are around town, if you have an online presence, you don't have to be too active. You just need to be found. Before we jump into our tattoo shop and have a look at this page in more detail, let's talk about where you are going to install it. And you can do that either in Brizy WordPress and Brizy Cloud. Now, Brizy WordPress are going to give you a lot of options if you have a lot of additional resources and features that you want to use. In this case, I would say a tattoo site is ideal for a platform like Brizy Cloud. One page, very simple design, no intricate listings and directories that you want to create. You just want your bio there, images there, and your contact details. And Brizy Cloud originally, when it came out way back, was, presented as a landing page designer. And this is exactly what this one page is, a landing page. So in this instance, I would really recommend, if you were thinking of trying Brizy Cloud, this is a great starter template for a tattoo shop. Let's go to templates and then select templates. And from here, you find all these amazing templates designed by the design team that you can use for your heart's content, to your heart's content. And most of them only available in the pro versions. And for installation of these, you're going to do that with the one-click installation within WordPress. And this guy is very active this morning. And if you come to Brizy Cloud, you're going to do that with the cloning feature. Let's jump over to our preview and have a look at how this looks. Like I said, one-page design. Look at this impact. There's a guy with a tattoo on his back. You immediately know what this site is about. I like this impact, right to the point. Here, a section at the top. And look at the contrasting colors that the design team has used, the red with the black and the white. It really narrows everything down to a very impactful message and great website to present to your visitors and people who are interested. Then the About Me section, which is very important, more about the artist and what drives them, what are their skills, their history, what they like to do, and then the services. Now, for many people who don't do tattoos, you may think there's only one kind of service, but of course, getting a tattoo is one, but then fixing bad tattoos. And then I've seen also TV shows online covering up tattoos that you're not happy with. That X that's still lingering on your butt, now you can remove it or at least upgrade it. Then a little bit more about the artist, and I will really say you need to promote the artist a lot, and then the work. Put in a small gallery there with your best work. From a practical point of view, you are busy on the floor putting on tattoos, so it's not always that convenient to constantly look at things like emails and checking the emails. And here he comes again. Amazing. So remember that it's maybe better not to put a contact form here, but leave the details, a map, even if you want to off the shop, and then your social media, if you are so inclined to put your work on social media. I think on Instagram, TikTok, and X, this could be a place that you would hang out. That is our template for tattoo shop. Great. Just a one starter. If you're a tattoo shop owner, affordable solution, ready-made. And the great thing is that it is customizable. You can go in here, change out your images, change the colors, change the fonts to your style. But what's the best is that you do this with the Brizy Builder, which is the easiest multi-platform builder solution on the market. Whether you are going for WordPress or whether you're going for cloud, can we wax lyrical about it? Yes, we can. It's intuitive and it's going to make your website building experience a breeze. From me, JP, until next time.